Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 31, 2023. 4-star Sudoku. 10th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is from here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 1, 5. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We'll confirm later. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade. Then column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th row, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then column F, column H, column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column J, 2nd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column J, column H, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 8. Column F also we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 1st grade, we have 6. Column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. It will come in any one of these cells. Confirm later. 7th row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 7, 3, 5. Column B, we have 1, 7 and 3. The 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. 1 and 7, 3 will confirm later. 1st grade, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column B, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only 1 number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 1 and 5 will confirm later. Then column B, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column C and 6th row, 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Confirm later. Then 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third grid, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Ninth grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The ninth grade, only 1 number are remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.